everyone! For this week's What Would You Do exercise, I chose the topic of mandating recycling and reusing. In this scenario, the goal is to create a public policy that hopes to achieve zero waste. A lot of environmental policies use the policy tool of prescriptive regulation, which is defined in our textbook in chapter 20.5 as mandates about what can and cannot be done. Both options to zero waste in this scenario use the policy tool. The first option to reduce waste is to ban disposable plastic shopping bags. The second option is a food waste composting requirement. I chose to focus on waste composting. Using our food waste to create compost is a sustainable way to create a circular food economy that will help increase urban farming, which increases produce availability in urban settings, especially in food deserts. Composting food waste involves two different collection plans. One's for households and one for businesses. The collection program that I would prioritize would be to promote commercial food waste composting first. In some places, there is existing infrastructure for collecting food waste from commercial operations that can be still utilized and scaled up to decrease the cost and minimize the amount of new infrastructure needed to compost the commercial food waste. Commercial food waste is usually the biggest producer of food waste, and I think that would have the largest impact on the total amount of food waste that is composted. Commercial food waste legislation would also be easier to implement and more widely accepted by the public and legislators. As a species, we need to prioritize the goal of zero waste to protect and maintain the environment and for the survival and well-being of not only our species, but all species and the planet itself. Thank you.